Hello everyone, welcome to Mommy T and V YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be making Nigeria donuts. First of all, I'm going to be adding my warm milk, then I will add my egg. I'm going to be using 1 egg to make this donuts. Then the next thing, I'm going to be adding my baking powder. Then I will add my 1 cup of sugar. So now I'm going to be adding my salt. Just little salt. So now I'm going to stir it together and make sure everything is mixed properly. And I will continue to stir it. After mixing everything together, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add my flour. Then before I do that, then I will continue to stir it and make sure it's mixed together very well. So now I have finished mixing everything together. The next thing, I will add my flour. This is 4 cups of flour. I'm going to be adding it gradually. Now I'm going to be adding my butter. After adding my butter, I'm going to mix it together again. Keep watching, guys. So guys, I'm going to cover it and keep it in a warm place for 1 hour. This is the outcome after 1 hour, guys. Keep washing. Wow, you can see the outcome of our donuts. We are almost done, guys. Now it's time to fry my donuts. Wow, our donut is ready, guys. You can see the outcoming of our Nigeria donut. Now I'm going to be spreading my granulated sugar. That is what I'm spreading. Oh my god, Let me cut it for you guys to see. You can see inside the way it looks. Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks so good. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to Mommy T and V YouTube channel. God bless you all for being there for Mommy T and V. See you on my next video. Bye.